Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain React Native using VS Code. Visual Studio Code stands out as a top-tier editor for building mobile applications with React Native. Its robust support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and JSX makes coding intuitive. Furthermore, a rich ecosystem of extensions significantly boosts productivity, transforming your development environment into a powerful workstation. We'll explore how to set up your environment for optimal performance and a smooth coding journey. Visual Studio Code offers powerful features that greatly assist React Native developers. IntelliSense provides intelligent code completion, saving you valuable time. Its integrated debugging tools are incredibly effective for pinpointing and resolving issues quickly. Extensions such as React Native Tools offer commands for running and debugging, while features like live reloading and hot module replacement ensure rapid iteration, allowing you to see changes almost instantly. Choosing Visual Studio Code for React Native development brings numerous benefits. It's remarkably lightweight, ensuring a fast and responsive experience, yet incredibly powerful. The extensive marketplace boasts thousands of extensions, allowing you to tailor your environment precisely. With an integrated terminal and seamless Git control, managing your projects becomes straightforward. Plus, a vibrant community offers abundant support and solutions for any challenge you might encounter. To truly maximize your efficiency with React Native in VS Code, consider optimizing your workflow. Set up linting and formatting tools like ESLint and Prettier to maintain consistent code quality across your team. Leverage code snippets and custom keyboard shortcuts to perform common actions with just a few keystrokes. Seamlessly integrate with emulators and simulators for thorough testing, and delve into advanced debugging techniques to tackle even the most intricate problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.